Want to restore your Android screen color to normal? Here's how. Open your settings. Scroll down and go to Additional Settings. Then find Accessibility. Tap on it. Go to Vision. Find Color Inversion. With this setting, the screen displays a negative of the colors, giving a high contrast appearance. If it's on, tap to turn it off. Return to the Accessibility menu. Head over to Color Correction. When enabled, Color Correction alters the colors for color blindness aid, which can distort normal color settings. Tap to turn it off if needed. Now swipe down twice from the top of your screen to access the full Quick Settings panel. Look for Reading Mode. This feature gives the screen a warmer tint to reduce eye strain, which can affect color accuracy. If it's on, turn it off by tapping. Check your screen. Colors should be back to normal. You're done. Subscribe for more useful tips.